Here we're going to demonstrate the use of the Lava Samsung Galaxy Tab OTG adapter. This adapter allows the Galaxy Tab 2 to be used in USB host mode and to get charged at the same time. Here we have the adapter, we have the Galaxy Tab 2, we have a USB drive, USB A to B cable that comes with the adapter, and a standard Samsung USB power adapter. So let's first plug in the adapter. Next we'll plug in the USB A to B cable into the power. Plug it into the power source. Plug in the A to B cable into the adapter. USB connector connected. And if you notice via the icon that it is charging. So now what we're going to do is plug in the thumb drive, USB mass storage connected, and we have access to the thumb drive. If you take a look at this icon again, you'll notice that it is charging. So there you have it, the Lava OTG host charging adapter for the Samsung Galaxy Tab 2.